Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial for this website. It's called Honeygain. This website is a website for making a passive income. As you can see, this is the main page of this website. It's called Honeygain. They say that you can passively income effortlessly. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. And as you can see, they bought Trustpilot reviews, and it's very nice score. 4 of 5. It's very nice. Also, in this website, let us just read what they say. Easy way to earn passive income. Start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. Also, they say on their website, earn without compromising security. Honeygain, ensure that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners and the app never asks for or gain access to the storage of your device. Know exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using Honeygain, your device act like view towers and help world famous business access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restriction or censorship. They say also 5 steps to Honeygain. First of all, or the first step, set it up. Honeygain can be installed on any device, Windows, Linux, Mac or Android device with a stable internet connection. So you need a stable internet connection, and you have to install the software on Windows, Linux, Mac or Android. Then the second point, run Honeygain. All you have to do after you install the software is to run it, to make it working on the background, or to keep it working in the background. Once active, which is very simple and easy, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. So the principle of this application, that it will share your internet connection. You have to share your bandwidth or a percentage of your bandwidth with this application. In return, it will give you some revenue, and that revenue is equal, the app will pay for you $20. This is the requirements, so the app will pay for you $20. When you reach $20, it will pay for you. Again, the number 3 point, let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that is publicly available online. So here they say that they are gathering some information which is not private or personal information. This information, as they state here, it's publicly available online, and they use this information for statistics purposes. Okay, they analyze data like this. In return, they will give you some money in return for this information, for using your bandwidth internet. Help businesses. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison and other verified business processes. And then the last point, number 5, get paid. Users earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or Bitcoins, BTC. So the payouts will be in PayPal or Bitcoins. Okay, so you have 2 options to get payment from this application, which is first one is PayPal and the second one Bitcoins. And again, the limit to be able to withdraw this money is $20. When you reach $20, you can withdraw this money to your PayPal account or Bitcoin wallet. This is for information. Once you reach this level, $20. Here in this website also they put some estimate your earnings. Your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain's network. So here, the more you traffic you share, the more you earn. So here there is some slide you can move, and for example here I can put this on 2 gigabyte daily traffic share. If I enable or disable this daily content delivery, let me disable it, so I will check. They say here if I have daily traffic 2 gigabyte and one device recommended, you can get up to $6 per month, as they state here in their website. I think it's a little bit, honestly, I think it's a little bit hard to gain $6 per month unless you keep this application working 24 hours per day. I think so, like this. Maybe you can get this number. I'm not sure. Anyway, also they state here about factors that influence how much you earn. Your location, your earning depend on the traffic demand required for our business clients, as well as the number of users in your area. This is the first factor. The second factor, the number of IP addresses. The more IP addresses your device are connected to, the more you can earn. By the way, with this app, you can connect one account, maximum 2 accounts or 2 devices per one network. So if you have one network, you can connect maximum 2 devices. So be sure that you are not connecting more than 2 devices per one network. The other factor, or the last factor, is network ping speed. To hit the sweet spot, aim for the speed of more than 50 megabits and a ping of less than 50 milliseconds. For more details, feel free to refer to our help page. So this is the reviews here from Trustpilot, and it's nice reviews. Ready to make sweet money? It takes 5 minutes to start earning with Honeygain. Actually, all you have to do is to download. Now I'm on Windows, so I can see this button here, download for Windows. I can download for Windows, as I said before, for Macintosh, for Mac, or for Android. Okay, and then once you download it, you have to create an account, and then after you create your account and verify your email address, you will receive $5 as a gift in your account. Okay, and from that time you will start earning by sharing your internet bandwidth and leaving the application running in the background of your device if you want to get more money. So as they say here, Honeygain is the first ever app that allows its users to make money online by sharing their internet connection. All you have to do is to share your internet connection with the application, and in return you will receive some revenue. This is what this app is based for. Reach your network's full potential by getting paid in USD or Bitcoins. So as you can see here, when you press login, you have 2 choices. If you didn't sign up yet, you have to click here and sign up. You have to put your email, and password. Also you have to if you have already signed in, which I did, you can log in, just log in, and when you log in, it will take you to this dashboard, as you can see. Of course, I didn't install this app on my PC. I just installed it on my Android device. As you can see here, I installed it on my Android device only. You can install it on Android device, on PC, laptop, Mac, anything. And here's my details. As you can see, I have shared 1.09 gigabyte from my bandwidth with this app. In return, I got 5 point one until now. I am now like 3 days or 2 days of using it. That's all the time I have been using it. I mean, just for 2 days, 3 days like this. And now I have 25% and half of this minimum payout requirement. So they say here, as you can see, you haven't reached the minimum payout yet. The minimum payout is $20, as you can see. And this is what I gathered today. Actually, I didn't turn on this application today for a lot of time, just for maybe 6 hours or 7 hours, and I just got this amount of money for today. Actually, it's I can see it takes a long time, to be honest with you. It takes a long time to reach this $20, but the best thing in this, that you have not to do nothing. You just install the app and leave it working in the background and collecting the bandwidth, and in return it will give you a little cents of the money. Okay, so this is everything about this app. Also here, when you go for this button, invite your friends, and by the way, this dashboard is the same even in the Windows app or the Mac app or Android app. It's the same layout of this application. When you click here and press invite your friends, it will give you a referral link like this. You can copy it and you can give it for your friends, so they will earn $5 as you earned when you subscribe it first. They will earn $5 and you will get 10% for invited friends. Invite friends and get 10% here, as they state here. So it's very clear. And that's it for everything. I think I didn't forget nothing. All you have to do is to install the application on your Android device or Windows PC or Mac, and leave it working in the background. And don't forget to refer this referral link, to give it and distribute it for your friends so they can subscribe and join this application. Also, I would be very grateful for you if you subscribe for my channel and click the link in the description, down below in the description. This link I will put it for this as a referral for this app. You can, from this link, just click it and go to the main website for registration and install. After that, install your app. Okay, so I will be very grateful if you click the link in the description and subscribe to this application. And I wish you all the best always. Wait for another video, I hope so, to see what will happen in the future or the next days, how much I will get in the next days with this app. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice time. Bye bye.